My name is Kunchi from Cooking with Kunchi.
And I'm Kenneth with North Texas Barbecue Addicts.
Today, I'm going to show this Texan how to make an authentic, traditional Jamaican jerk marinade. All from work.
Let's get to it.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to the Cooking with Kunchi channel. Just remember, if you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on all socials. All of my links will be down in the description below, so give us a follow. Now, this is my authentic Jamaican jerk marinade recipe. This is a recipe that I've been working on for quite a while. And if you've been following me a while, you've seen some variation of this, whether on my shorts page or even from my really old YouTube videos. So this is my latest, newest version, and it is the one that I use to rock all my parties, all my catering events, and so on. So how are you going to get this recipe? Go up to my website. The link will be down in the description. Sign up for my newsletter. Once you sign up for my newsletter, this is the very first recipe that comes to your inbox for both my dry rub and my wet marinade, and you'll be able to save these recipes because they're right there in your email, right? You have the full recipe, no need to go anywhere else. All right, so this has all the ingredients of the traditional marinade: the scallions, the thyme, the garlic, the ginger, the onions. We do not use soy sauce in our marinade, so I'm using browning. You can use the Maggie browning or regular Asian style, but this Jamaican browning is no sugar and no MSG. All right, so really pure flavor. You're not getting the over-salted version of the jerk marinade. And check this out, man. At the end, you will see a full video of how to make some jerk chicken. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the whole thing.
All right, let's see where we're at. The moment of truth. There it is. Let's see. Man, that's right there. You don't need salt.
Now, once you get your marinade together, you're going to go ahead and season your chicken, preferably overnight. And this is where you just can't mess it up from here. You can cook it however you want. Preferably, it's going to be over wood or charcoal or one of the other. We have chicken halves right here. These were seasoned up for 12 hours before we cooked them, and we just cook medium heat. And as you can see, I'm using B&B products, B&B charcoal, the better burning charcoal out there. And basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna keep flipping these every 30 minutes or so over that medium heat until you get the desired temperature in the breast meat. The leg and thighs should be cooked as well, as long as the breast is cooked. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, follow us on all socials, and make sure you go and check out the website and sign up for the newsletter to get that recipe. Follow us for more. Thank y'all.